Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you step by step how to download and install Roblox on your PC or laptop, whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you're ready to jump into your favorite Roblox games or even start creating your own worlds, this guide is for you. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Now go to the official Roblox website. In the search bar, type Roblox. Open first website. Once the website opens, you'll see the Roblox homepage. If you already have a Roblox account, click Login at the top right corner and enter your details. If you're new, click Sign Up and fill out your birth date, username, password, and gender, then click the Sign Up button. Having an account is required to download and play Roblox games. Once you're logged in, open any game on the Roblox site. And click the play button. A pop-up will appear saying Roblox is now loading, then it will prompt you to download and install Roblox. Click on Download and install Roblox. Now your browser will download a small file. Once the download is complete, open the file to start the installation. The installer will automatically download all the required files and set up Roblox on your PC or laptop. Just wait for it to finish. It usually takes a minute or two. After installation, Roblox will launch automatically. Click play on any game again, and game will start. Now you can start playing any game or even explore the Roblox studio if you want to create your own games. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded and installed Roblox on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions.